Gloucester Royal Hospital here. In fact, we've got a few trees here as well. We're near Carlton Motors here. Well, I've actually come to look at it. Well, meanwhile, there's a lot of hospital patients there waiting to go in, but I looked at the number of ambulances parked outside there, as you can well see. Hopefully it's not COVID cases, those who haven't had the injection, but what I'd like to look at is this probate purchase here. A gentleman told me before the pandemic, the old Triumph 2000 here. There we are. Lovely old Triumph 2000 now. It does need work. In fact, it probably needs a bit more work now than it did a couple of years ago. Been out in the winters. Lovely old 2000 there, the old Triumph 2000 now. I've got a feeling this is the automatic. I'm not sure. Probably, maybe the manual, I'm not sure. He's covered it over there. We'll keep the upholstery as nice as possible here. Lovely old Triumph here. Triumph 2000. Great car in its day. Very solid as well. We've got the wing mirrors on the bonnet here. There we are, lovely old Triumph 2000. There we are, from the 1970s. Now, what registration? About a J registration, so it's early 70s, about 1971. I believe he bought it up north as a probate sale. Even got a radio on it, which was certainly not known in the day. There we are. 1971 Triumph 2000.